Hey YouTube, today I want to kind of show a little unique problem here. This is a 2002 Chrysler Town and Country, and you'll notice on the back here, this is your water pump outlet housing, and this piece is actually tied into the whole timing cover. You see this pipe here? This pipe goes from here, and of course it goes to there, but there's a rubber hose that counts that goes there. But this piece here broke off, and the owner, they bought it from someone online, and they had like a little piece of metal tubing or something stuck in there, and it rusted out, as you can see, and let all the antifreeze come out. But I want to show you the proper way to fix something like that in case you ever run into it. It's kind of a unique thing. Now you'll notice there's some threads in there. I actually cut these threads in there, and what I did is I used a tap to cut those threads in there. I'll show you that tap. This is that tap right there. This is what you would use to bore that hole out, or to actually put threads in that hole. Okay? And once you put those threads in that hole like that, you can take one of these pieces, alright, and you can screw it into that. Alright? And now once you screw that in there, now you'll be able to put the hose on there and connect it the way it's supposed to be. Now, as I was saying, you can see up in there, as you can see now, we'll take this and we'll screw that in there. Alright? And that will take care of the issue that we had. Okay? If you don't do it like this, what you're going to have to do is take this whole timing cover off. It takes a lot of time to get that off. As you can see, that's built into all this over here. Let me put some light on the situation for you. Yeah, that timing cover, that water pump cover is built into the timing cover, so you have to take all of this stuff off, which no one wants to go through that hassle. So, save yourself some time. Just drop the light. Save yourself some time. Okay, re-tap that hole and put your fitting in there. Now they sell different types of fittings. This is one type. At first I was going to use that type, and I was going to JB weld it in there, and and then I'd be able to put the hose on it. But that right there, the metal is thin on this little flange piece, and it's just going to rust out. Well, I mean, it's copper, it shouldn't rust, but over time it's going to wear out. Compared to this piece, which is stainless steel, and you see it's a whole lot thicker. And with it threading in there, what we're going to do is put some pipe tape on these threads, and then we'll screw it in, and that way it won't leak. So if you give me just a second, I'll go ahead and screw that in and let you see what that looks like. Alright, so the next step after you've tapped your hole with your die, alright, you'll take this pipe tape and you'll run it around the threads here, and that'll act as your seal. Then once you get that on there, put it back in the hole. Alright. Now we got our piece in there, our replacement piece in there, and we'll just tighten it on in. The tap for this thing, it's a rather large tap, and if you're going to buy a tap, you may as well buy one that you can reuse. The tap with this was kind of expensive. It's about 50 bucks for a right size tap to get in there, but 50 bucks for a tap compared to about $400 for a new timing cover, and the time to do it, replace it, is a whole lot cheaper to me. Alright, so now we got that tight. Okay, so now as you can see, that is a permanent fix there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you're going to have to worry about that thing breaking, and you're definitely not going to have to worry about that rusting out because it's stainless steel. So we'll put our hose there, put some new clamps on, and this job is complete. I've had several people actually contact me about this type of job, and I don't know what it is about the little end piece on there. I mean, I guess it's I don't know if it's cheap material or if the people they had that was working on it just break them off, but either way, that's the best way to repair that right there. Again, that's not going anywhere. That's in there. And with the pipe tape on there, it's not going to leak. So we'll put our hoses on, and that'll complete this job. So I hope this helped those of you out that have this issue. If you have any questions or comments, please post, chat. Other than that, thanks for watching. And we're going to get this vehicle back on the road and start on something else. We have our end piece in, put a new piece of hose in there. The hose was a little bit long, I didn't want to cut it. And we put in 2 new clamps. So now you're not going to get a leak through there, and your problem is solved. Okay, so if you have any questions about this video or anything else, just post, chat, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this helps you out with your issue. Again, this is a good permanent fix there, so you won't have to worry about that leaking anymore. Alright, other than that, YouTube, have a great day.